Hello friends, today we will discuss latest current affairs. Chunauti Next Generation Startup Challenge Contest launched by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology aim to further boost startups and software products with special focus on tied to towns of India. Identify around 300 startups working in identified areas and provide them seed fund of up to 25 lakh and other facilities. Africa declared free of wild polio. No, only the vaccine derived polio virus remains in Africa. A region is certified as free of wild polio after 3 years have passed without the virus being detected in any of its countries. Nigeria is the last African country to be declared free from the wild polio. Green Term Ahead Market (GTAM), alternative new model introduced for selling of the power by the renewable developers in the open market without getting into long-term PPAs. Places in news: Crete Island, the largest and most populous of the Greek islands. It is located in the southern part of the Aegean Sea, separating the Aegean from the Libyan Sea. National Security Act stringent law that allows preventive detention for months. Authorities are satisfied that a person is a threat to national security or law and order. Persons do not need to charge during this period of detention. Promulgated on September 1980 during the Indira Gandhi government. The National Security Act, an individual can be detained without a charge for up to 12 months. The detained person can be appealed before a High Court advisory board, but they are not allowed a lawyer during the trial. INS Virat, originally commissioned by the British Navy as HMS Hermes on November 18, 1959 as aircraft carrier. India bought the British carrier in 1986 and rechristened it as INS Virat. INS Virat is the Guinness record holder for being the longest serving warship of the world. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.